you've lost access to your WhatsApp account and need to regain ownership, follow these straightforward steps to recover it quickly. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to proceed with the recovery process. Step 2. Verify your phone number. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter the verification code. Check your SMS or call for the verification code sent by WhatsApp. Input this code into the app to verify your identity and regain access to your account. Step 4. Restore chat history if applicable. If prompted, choose to restore your chat history from a backup. This step is optional and depends on whether you have previously backed up your chats. Step 5. Set up two-step verification. To enhance the security of your account, enable two-step verification after regaining access. This feature adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a PIN when registering your phone number with WhatsApp. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully regain ownership of your WhatsApp account. Always remember to keep your account secure to prevent future issues.